So today I finally picked up my rebuilt M104 engine, long block anyway, for the red project. As you can see, it has the 90.35mm pistons installed. These are not for the 980, these are actually second oversized 3.2 pistons for the 990, etc., the 3.2 litre. And that's the crankshaft I have installed as well. So this engine is a little bit over 3.2 litres now. And I'm dreading someone saying, that's not assembled right. Hopefully that's not the case. I gave the machine shop all of the documentation from the service manual on how to put it back together and the correct tolerances and whatnot, so hopefully this is all correct. Interestingly, nothing was required to make those oil squirters fit or clear the larger pistons. They don't even come anywhere near it. They are a lot shorter than the original 3-litre pistons. So this is all ready to go. I basically just need to get an oil pump now. So that's next on the shopping list, and then I can finish putting this engine together. I don't have a completed body to put it in yet, but that's going to happen shortly. While they had this engine, they have obviously thoroughly cleaned it. It has been balanced. The top surface has been machined, but no more material can be removed. It's at the limit now. Those dark patches around the coolant galleries, they should just clean off. And these are the mount arms off the engine. I just had those sandblasted today before I picked it up. This is the rest of the stuff that is required to assemble it. And the documentation that I gave them is still in this box as well. It's best to hand over all of this stuff when balancing an engine, so it's all balanced as an assembly, and that's what I've done. So yes, everything is ready to go. And there's my cylinder head that was previously rebuilt. It's still sitting inside my house. And you'll be pleased to know I have successfully transitioned into a complete degenerate and have an engine inside my house.